Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm just here for a quick video. When I did my cleaning up of my room, I've had several questions. How do I keep my ink pads? So that's what I'll be talking about today. So I have all my Stampin' Up! Ink pads all there. And then over on that wall, I have all my Close to My Heart ink pads. And I have room to put some more, and I've tested it and it does fit the Distress Inks by Tim Holtz. So this is what I have been using. This is the Media Sticks, and it's actually for DVDs and CDs and Blu-rays. But what I do is this will snap one on top of the other. So as you can tell, there's 4 in here. So this is the length of one. So it goes one on top of the other, and then one full one like this fits 30, and then the other one 30. And I'll link it in the Amazon link on .ca and .com if that's something that you would like to put your ink pads. It works really well. Like I said, I tried the Distress ink pads from Tim Holtz, and they also fit. So that's why I got these, because I'm going to put my Distress inks also on the wall. And it also fit a few other of the other brands that I have. So I'm going to be getting a couple more so that I can put those on the wall. And they're easy to put up on the wall. The other thing, I just stopped it for a second so I could go get them. The other thing I want to talk about is those 2-gallon bags that I do my page kits in. I get so many questions on these, and then someone said, hey, I found them on Amazon. So what I did was I went and searched, and I found some on .ca that has a package of 100, and I found some on .com. So I'll also have them in the description box below under the Amazon link under scrapbooking, and that one too, I'll put it under the scrapbooking link. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.